Are the Sennheiser E900 good? When it comes to audiophile earbuds that can compete with the best over-ear headphones, look no further than the Sennheiser E900. These earbuds are extremely expensive, but they can extract every last drop of detail from your music, especially if used in conjunction with an excellent DAC or external amplifier. Sennheiser's E900 buds take most wireless earbuds by storm when it comes to audio performance, so that's a good reason to forego the convenience of cable-free listening. Interestingly enough, you get 3 sets of earbuds with these buds, each ending in a different size of jack, so you have a variety of options when it comes to connectivity. The aluminum housings of these buds have been crafted with meticulous attention to detail, as well as the included microfiber cleaning cloth. If you have the funds, I recommend purchasing the Sennheiser E900 for extended listening sessions. They are extremely comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Sennheiser's E900 is currently available for a price of $1,299.95, £1,099, $2,099 Australian dollars, which represents a significant premium. Designed for the audiophile market, these are wired earbuds for the most discerning of ears. By way of comparison, our favorite wired earbuds, the One More triple driver in-ear headphones, were priced around $100, £100, $150 Australian dollars at launch and are currently being offered for a much reduced price. These earbuds are of the kind of build quality you'd expect from a pair of luxury in-ear headphones. A variety of silicone and memory foam ear tips are included in the package, as well as 3 gold-plated cables, one 3.5mm jack, as well as balanced 2.5mm and 4.5mm versions. Consumers seeking unlimited connectivity options with their Sennheiser E900 won't be disappointed. Additionally, the headphones come with a carrying case that zips up to keep them safe when not in use, as well as a cleaning tool, microfiber cloth, and a clip to secure the cable to your clothing. It's a pity none of the cables feature an inline remote, however, it is not necessarily a deal breaker at this price point. It is designed to sit snug against your ear canal, with the cable wrapping around the back of your ear. This may be a bit tricky to position at first, but once they are in place, they are extremely comfortable. The earbuds feature a triple chamber system, which utilizes 3 chambers as well as an acoustic vortex milled into the nozzle. It is a single driver earbud, the Sennheiser E900, designed to deliver greater fidelity with 7mm transducers and a frequency response of 5 to 48,000 kHz with no distortion. These days, many manufacturers of earbuds claim that dual driver systems result in a strong bass response and clear trebles, thus it is interesting to see Sennheiser take this route. While we recommend using these headphones with an external DAC, we use the iFi Hip DAC. They also performed very well when directly plugged into our laptop's 3.5mm aux port. Michael Fassbender's voice is swung left and right as the earbuds demonstrate their excellent imaging. It reproduces less timbrely complex tracks as well. Schubert's Minuet in A major, D. 334, sounds rich and warm, thanks to earbuds that are sensitive to the intensity of the contrast between soft and loud sounds.